Today on So Healthy a Kid Can Cook It, I will show you how to make roasted chickpea and broccoli burritos. I found this recipe in my Thug Kitchen cookbook. That is my favorite place to find recipes. I highly recommend that cookbook if you're not offended by colorful language. I chose this as my first recipe because it is so easy to make and has tons of flavor. I hope you enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe. Bon appetit! For this recipe you will need diced yellow pepper, red bell pepper, 2 to 3 crowns of broccoli, 3 cups chickpeas, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Bragg, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon ground coriander, 4 cloves of garlic, and tortillas. Oops. Bye! I love it when you call me señorita, and then I don't know the words, so that's okay. This bowl ain't big enough for the most of us.